Hi, welcome back. It's Richard from Prom Parts. We're doing up this little Ramco Renegade. Last time you saw us, we were doing an assessment on the boat and engine package. Found a few problems. So this week we're getting into doing the engine. Cool, so we stripped down the engine. It had a bit of a noise inside it. When we got it apart, we found it had a badly damaged piston. After a bit of investigation, we found this damage on the piston was due to a faulty oil return valve, not allowing enough lubrication through the engine. So in prep for getting this engine rebuilt, we sent the cylinder block out to a machine shop to have it bored to 30 thou oversize. So I thought it'd be a good idea to get the younger generation involved in the rebuild process. He wasn't too sure what he was doing, but we're using the service manuals and a bit of guidance from our technical team. We certainly got him through the process okay. So the engine's all rebuilt now. It's in a really great pace. It's ready to be started. The next thing we found wrong was the gearbox had water in it. So join us in the next episode as you follow us through that process of disassembly and rebuilding that.